Hey everybody, it's Steel Cabal Stealth. Welcome back for more Animal Crossing New Leaf. I'm sad to say, but this is really all we're gonna do today. Not really a lot of bugs come out at like literally 7 o'clock at night. So, well, technically in real life 8 o'clock. So, this is as far as I was able to go. The bells. I did pay off the house to Mr. Nook. So really, that's about it. So we'll finish this like tomorrow. Like the first, unless you guys don't want to, I'll do it tomorrow. Or like first thing we do tomorrow is do this, and then we'll deal with all the air crap in another part. So, but we did get a lot done. We got ourselves some stuff. I don't know why I even bothered to record this. But all I was gonna do was do that, but yeah. At least I'm just gonna go home, gang. Because I'm gonna go home having not a TV camera, so silly, no TV camera. So I could possibly show off the other shops if you want, like I'll show off the museum and Able Sisters lantern. There's the lantern. Light this up. Yeah. Common bed's gonna put it right there. Push it up. And Mush Claus is gonna go over here. So what do you say we go plant these 3 fruits and yeah, let's just go plant these 3 fruit. And get that TV camera, and that'll be all we're gonna do today. Wait, what am I doing going inside retail? Again, so bright that you don't even know what's gonna happen. Let's go, and you know what? I'm really feeling it, and I'm really sorry for not, like, literally almost being a month since our last Animal Crossing Happy Home Designer video. So, you wanna know how I'm gonna make it up? I'm gonna do a couple of jobs today. Maybe like 1 or 2. Maybe even a 3rd if I'm really feeling it. I'm really feeling it, yeah. Yeah, so many Xenoblade references. I'm really not feeling it right now. Are you sure? Definitely. I'm not feeling it at all. Why did I drop my apple? No! Darn it. Dig it up. This grow, yeah, I'm pretty sure it would. Okay. You know, I'm not even gonna bother with that TV camera. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow for the next day if I'm allowed to play tomorrow. So see you guys then. You know what? I'll see you guys in Happy Home Designer. See you guys then.